Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another beautiful morning. Welcome back to my channel. Kind of failed today. I left all my bobbers, all my crappie and panfish jigs, everything back at home. I have one jig head tied on, so the goal is to catch some catfish bait today. Maybe we might just end up doing bass fishing. I don't know. So I got one jig head. If I break off, I'm done, and we're just gonna do some bass fishing. So stay tuned. Let's see if we catch a couple of these nice and beautiful bluegills. Maybe some to eat, and maybe some for catfish bait. Cut it up, throw it in the freezer. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the water. Sheesh, I haven't weighed in a while. Chill right here. I got no bobbers, so just gonna have to jig it out. Got him. Oh, it's a nice bluegill. There we go. In the bucket you go. I'm using y'all for bait. Nice. Look at that pretty fish. Look at you. Shoot, look at you. Oh, I got one. On the drop. Oh, look at this kinker. Look at this kinker. This is a nice one right here. Wow, look at that. That's a little 7-incher. That'll do. Alright, if that bucket falls, I'm done, dog. Hey, here we go. Look at him go. Jeez. Look at him go. Wow. What a freaking hater. Freaking destroy my plastic. Should do like this chartreuse. Go pull. Oh. Well, thanks a lot. Man, I thought I brought my bobbers, dude. I didn't bring anything. That sucks, man. There we go. That's a nice fish. Whoa, that's a big one right there. Jeez. Look at that guy. Look at that big fish. Wow, that's a beautiful bluegill for the river. Get this guy in a bucket. That I'll eat. Got another one. Oh my gosh, this guy will let go. Eh, whatever, we'll just keep him. Ouch. So I do need some for bait, so. He's a little, yeah, he's perfect actually. Perfect. And I completely missed. Whatever. Yep. Catfish or sheephead. There we go. Oh, check this out. I got a crappie. Yo. Dude, no, don't do it. Don't do it. I don't want you to break my line. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice. I got a crappie. There you go. I'm talking about right there. guy's tiny though, so you're pretty much useless. This is so much fun. These guys are tiny. I don't like these. They're good for cut bait though. But it's alright. You can always catch those. Little guy. Yeah, there we go. Look at him run. Sheesh, you guys are feisty. And I missed again. All right, I'm gonna stop doing that, guys. I'm just gonna walk over and put those bluegills in a bucket. Stop being lazy. It's like the fourth one I threw it and missed already. Yeah, I wish I have a bobber right about now. There we go. Oh, it's a crappie. Yeah, this guy will do. Oh yeah, you got a crappie. Nice, man. I don't know, man. I kind of don't like keeping crappie this size. Forget it. I'll let him go. Pretty fish, though. Thanks for throwing my gulp minnow away. Let's try this natural white, you know. See if it change up the crappie bite or something. I watched him eat it. Oh, it's a small guy. Let's see if we make it, right? Nah, I'll let this one go. This one's kind of useless. Useless. Oh yeah, a little canker. Ah man, these things are feisty, dude. Look at that. Nice little fish. Oh, jeez, jeez, jeez. All right, let's walk over there this time and not lose the fish. You know, just do it the right way. Ooh, I just stepped on that. Oh, that was. Oh, come on, man. Just dropped another freaking fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. It's a real nice fish. Oh, dude. Orange chest, too. Sheesh. Look at that. That's a beautiful bluegill. Wow. Let's follow it again. There we go. Oh, jumped in the air. Sheesh. You, sir, are mean. Hey, here we go. Oh, you're a canker. Jeez, and you're mean. Oh, there we go. I think I'm getting good at basketball, guys. There we go. That's a nice fish. Oh my, oh! Why? That was a good bluegill. Ah, dang, man, that was a nice bluegill. Whoa! There we go, way down there. There we go. Those are nice, right there. Ooh, bring it in. Wait! We're keeping y'all. It might start raining, so we're gonna have to do so. Hard to hook them too, because they're hitting from the back. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. No slabs, but they're good cut bait. Oh, right in front of me. What the heck? Look how easy that is. Just right into the bucket, dude. Look how easy that is. That works too, eh? Right into the bucket. That was funny. Oh yeah, it's raining. It's raining. Come on, one more before we go. Yep, let's go. It's time to go. Bluegills all iced up, ready for some prepping. So we can do this correctly. Jeez, that's loud. Yo, look at that. We got some bluegills, some nice eaters too. Look at this guy. This guy's a little chunker. This dude is still alive in a way. We're gonna cut these up, prepping for some catfish. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just finished prepping the bluegills for catfish. As you can see here, yeah, look at that. I made 2 bags because I know that I'm not going to use like the entire thing all at once. So maybe 1 outing, 2 outing. I might split it up later in the future, but as of right now, got some good pieces. Let me know if you guys want to see more stuff like this. So I don't know how this catfish outing is going to go, but I'm excited. I'm going to freeze it. And hopefully we catch some big catfish, especially flatheads. I want to get some flatheads, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the river.